So we have these giant service providers, TCS, Infosys, In India, we call them software companies, and they're not really software companies, right? They're software services companies for the most part. I mean, Infosys, I know they had this banking product called Finacle, and TCS has a few and so on. Wipro and HCL probably have a little more of the product orientation, but they are not, if you create IP and you sell a product, you get to make 1,000 times of the cost of the product. If you are selling man hours, you're lucky if you make a 2x or 3x, and salaries in India are rising, and that differential will slowly kind of disappear. So my question really for Pradeep and Arjun, what is holding back? I use an antivirus program from a company in Romania, okay, Bitdefender. Why can't India produce an antivirus program that everybody uses? Why did SAP have to come out of Germany? They don't even speak English, even to this day, right? Why don't we have those companies coming out of India? Why don't we have hardware products that people use in the day-to-day life coming out of India? What's wrong with us IIT engineers that we can't get that done? Either of you.
Arjun?
Yeah. I'm happy. So first thing, there are 2-3 questions there. So the first thing is, all these Indian IT services companies do what I call asset-based consulting. Accenture does it. They've all got assets. You don't call them products because they don't sell as products, but they have IP-based assets in-house based on which they do their consulting or their services, which is what gives them the edge, right? Otherwise, with their overheads, how are they going to compete with the mom and pop shop that'll come in, right? So just remember, while it looks like they're doing labor arbitrage, over time, a lot of that has moved towards more asset-based consulting. That's number one. Number two, why are products not coming out of India is because the market is so large that they cannot fulfill the demand in India. And why would they step out till they are ready to step out? Plus, the products are made for the Indian market. iFlex was made for the Indian market for banking. And Oracle took it because they wanted to go to the quote-unquote developing world to sell a product because Kapiti and Hogan and whatever else they had here were not the right fit for those markets. So just remember, you make products for your market. Why hardware? Software, services, low-hanging fruit. And only now, what we are trying to do, actually Ajay Chaudhary, who is another HCL co-founder, and I have started a not-for-profit foundation called Epic Foundation, where the idea is to give money for designs for Indian products, so that at least we'll take that step. Once the product is designed, then different companies will manufacture and sell it, and hopefully, like we have brands in IT services, we'll have brands in hardware that will go around the world. I don't know if it'll happen. May not happen in my lifetime, but hopefully some of these kids here, they'll feel proud about Indian hardware brands that are then global.